Monday, August 12th, and it's the start of our vacation. We slept here at Art of Animation last night. It's already like 11 o'clock, so it's time to check out. We are gonna go to Disney Springs today. I'm not sure if we're gonna check into our resort first. I don't know what we're doing. We don't have park tickets. I can't talk. Park tickets today, but I am gonna go upgrade my tickets to annual passes today, mine and Braylee's, and I think my mom's gonna do it as well. So we're gonna do that at Disney Springs and probably spend the day there. And then we have dinner tonight at 1900 Park Fair. But today's just gonna be a relaxing day, and we're not going to the parks or anything, like I said. And then tomorrow we start our park days. So I'll take y'all along and hope everyone's having a great day. Also, this is a view if you're looking into requesting a room here. This is building 1 of Cars, and it's 1827. We're on the 4th floor, so you have a pool view, and you can pretty much see everything that's in this area, which is really nice. We're here at Vineland Outlet. It's a cute little popsicle place. It's hot outside. We're waiting to upgrade our tickets to annual passes in the ticket center in Disney Springs. And Braylee's over there hopping around on the little things. They just put out all the Halloween stuff. We're about to check into Trex for lunch. Mushroom ravioli and the Cobb salad. Yeah? Okay.
Big hug. How does she feel? She feel nice, good. It's good like that? Alright. Now you're gonna pick a heart for me right over here. Now you gotta wake your dino up. Ready? You're gonna grab that heart. You're gonna put it right here in your chest. She's always gonna be there for you. She's always gonna love you no matter what. Now you're gonna grab that heart, rub it in your back. She's always gonna have your back and now your head. So she's always gonna be thinking about you and now your tummy. So she never goes hungry right here. Alright, now this is the most important part. You ready? You're gonna grab it in your hands, close your eyes, and make a wish. And when you're all going, give your heart a kiss, your wish comes true, and you put it back inside there. Good job.
Braylee's dinosaur she got. Ooh, and a backpack. Alright, ready? We just walked into our room. We have a 2-bedroom, I guess, standard view villa. This is when you just walk in. There's a closet. It's a lot of closet space. There's a high chair, a vacuum, laundry basket. And then this is like the living area. We already have luggages all over the place, but we have a little 2-chair table.
I know I do.
This is a pull out. This is like a pull out. This is a little coffee table. This is the kitchen, big sink. And then it comes with like plates and cups and stuff. Ice bucket, coffee machine, toaster, microwave, oven, and stove, refrigerator, freezer. This is the first room. It has 2 queen beds. They have a good little view of the lake, and then I think those are the cabins. 2 happy boys. A little TV. Another table in here. It's like a huge bathroom, but there's only 1 sink. Big bathroom. Okay, tub, shower. This is a small little bathroom actually right here. And here's a main room. Has a little drawer right here. TV. Chair. I think we might be close to the pool. Not sure. It's a king bed. And then right here is little doors into the bathtub. Big bathtub. There's a shower. It's a big shower right here. And then just a sink and toilet. And this is like, it goes to the bathroom, and then it also goes back into this area. And there's a washer and dryer. I think that's it.
I got you a little apple juice.
Just picked up Target from the drive-thru.
Whoa, silly followers.
I got a little purse. A giant thing of dish. Oh my god.
Jared Good's lug grease.
A giant thing of dish soap. Hair water that I forgot to pack.
Hand
sanitizer. Setting spray, it's not working. I was gonna buy one at Mac, but I didn't want to spend that much money. And an umbrella. And now we're on our way to the Floridian for 1900 Park Fair.